What's up everybody? Aiden here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a doorbell in doorbell in Minecraft PE. Let's get started. This is it. Okay, I make this a example to tutorial with you and how to make it. And let's go to my mystery box, because inside of it is that we'll need to make a doorbell. Here, one sign, one button, one redstone repeater, one redstone lamp, one redstone dust, two note blocks, and one block of your choice. I mean, two block of your choice. Okay. I know all of you guys' house is not just like this, so you can make it, I think. And okay, you can put a sign or something, but whatever you want, or you gonna put a sign or not. Okay. Okay, now put the sign and then put whatever you wanna put there, like Jaja Punchong Quinking. Just kidding. Oh. Again, Jaja Jimpong Pong Quing. Just kidding. And now on the middle of it, break the block and put the redstone lamp and put a button. You can put the redstone lamp or not, whatever you wanna put it or not, that's fine. And because you can put it a redstone lamp or not. I just put redstone lamp so I can see the direction to put the note block and the block of your choice or something. And now put the block of your choice in the redstone lamp, and step one, I don't know what it's called, just leave one here and then one gap and put another block of your choice. And now put the note block in the middle of it and the side of what is this called, block of your choice. And now get the redstone dust, put it like that. Now put the redstone lamp just like so, and the redstone lamp need to be facing that way, not this way, because you can ruin it or something. And now put the redstone lamp in the fourth delay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think 3 hit. 2, 3. And in the left note block, press 12 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the other side, press 8 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like so. And now press your doorbell. It should look like that, or quite like that. So that's it for today, guys. This is, by the way, this is my first video, so I hope you like it. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment below if this doorbell helps your house, and please subscribe for more video coming, and bye guys.